Hey y'all, hey, back with another video. So I've already molded her hair using Main Life's collection Main Mint foam. You guys know that it's the best foam and it's the only foam that I use in the salon and at home. I'm going in with Main Life's collection Main Oil, and I'm just going to emulsify that in my hands really good. And then once it warms up, we're going to rub that on her hair thoroughly and make sure every piece of hair is coated. This is a very important step, so you don't want to skip that step. You don't want the hair to be greasy, but you definitely want to make sure that the hair is coated in the oil. Trust me, when you get ready to curl, you're gonna need it. So I'm just using a metal tip comb, and I'm just gonna go and get the curling. I'm using Main Life's collection 3/10 flat iron for this. It has been reduced. The price is reduced permanently, so the flat iron is now $69.99, and you can get that at mainlifestudio.com. And I'm not gonna do too much talking because I just want you guys to see what I'm doing, because it's kind of hard to explain. But I also want to let you know that this video is not sped up, so you guys get to see it in pretty much real time and see exactly how it's going. So stay tuned for the rest of this video. You want to make sure that you are molding the hair, flat ironing the hair in the direction of the curl. She's kind of growing out her pixie, so this was like perfect for this style. And literally, I'm just following the pattern of the wave and just curling the hair in that direction. Also, if you notice that once I curl the hair, I kind of lay my finger on it and I'm just pressing it down so that it stays in that place until it cools, and then I just release my finger. So I did have to go in and blow dry her hair because it was not thoroughly dry in the top, and I was gonna just make her go under the dryer. So I was just blow drying that, and the blow dryer that I'm using is a Rusk Speed Freak. so pretty so far, and it's not even finished. Don't you think so? And this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to be notified, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.